you hold up the folding container, there will be 4 holes in the front and also in the back. So you can see 1 hole, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the front side. And you need to screw the bolts to come here. Look at this. You need to make the bolt and fasten the screw together. Can you see that? And another 3 bolts, 3 holes, you need to tighten the bolts and screw together too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also in the back side there will be 4 holes too. You need to tie it up. You can see that one we have already tightened it, and you need to tie it to 1, 2, 3, totally 4 in the back.